If anyone is suspicious about this package,
here's my DNA. Oh, look me on No, but seriously, man, this would make him very happy.
When we got pulled over that night and Mary was already in prison.
And the orange jumper.
In my mind,
not even jail, in prison now.
So I see him take her off, right? And the cop goes, he says to me, he goes, "You need to get everything out of the car." Go in the car. And I said, "What?" And he goes, "You need to make it quick." And I said, "What?"
What?
And I said, "Well, you know, what do I grab?" And I said, "Can I go back and talk to her?" And he goes, "No." And I said, "Well, that's my partner. I mean, I really need," I said, "We've never been in trouble before like this. Can I go back and talk with her?" And I just see what I can get.
Because had we been in trouble before, we would have a plan.
Yeah, we have a plan. He goes, "Make it quick." So I went back and I said, "What do I grab?" And she goes, "Well, get my driver's license and stuff." So I've got the suitcase back there, and we've got luggage in the back, and
We've had all kinds of shit.
you know, just stuff, traveling. So I'm thinking about what I should grab and stuff in the suitcase, right? So I just start grabbing stuff, and I put it in a bag, and then I get out of the car, and before I know it, they're going to tow the car off, right?
Tell me what you took before, why you were so squeaky. Because you had...
Oh, I had 1,000 milligrams of Depakote.
1,000 milligrams, so she was fucked up.
Do you have any more?
I threw it away. Wait a minute, I got